Hello everyone, welcome to Alltech Fusion. In this video, we'll see how to do Angular setup in our system. For that, first requirement is we must have Node installed in our system. For that, just go to the website which is visible. I will provide this link in the description as well, and download it and just install it with default configuration. Now we'll move towards installing Angular CLI. And for that command is this npm install -g angular /cli. -g stands for global, means if we want to install Angular CLI globally, then we will use -g, but as if now I want to install it locally for particular folder, hence I will remove this g and I will type only npm install @angular CLI. So it will install Angular CLI latest version locally in my system. I already installed the Angular CLI in my system, so I will not install it again. It will fetch all the dependencies and it will take some time. Just remove -g if you want to install it locally. Now we'll check the version of installed Angular CLI. For that I will open cmd again and will type npm version. npm version will show you the npm version installed. Now to check Angular CLI version, we will type ng -version. As you can see here, Angular CLI 11.2 version is installed locally for that particular project. Now moving forward, I am using Visual Studio Code for coding or writing scripts, but if you want to use any other application, you can use it, but actually integration of Git with Visual Studio Code is bit easy, hence I am using this. Now we'll create new application, new Angular application. So for that we'll open new terminal and we'll write ng new ckeditor. You can give any name for your application. As of now I am giving ckeditor. Then press enter. After pressing enter, they will ask you whether you want default routing or not. So would you like to add Angular routing? I will write yes because I want that. Then it will ask for style sheet. I will prefer SCSS as nested CSS is available in SCSS, as well as some more features are there. Now it will take some time, it will fetch all the dependencies. Now our application is created and now we'll see how it is looking in browser. So for that I will type command ng serve. It will compile our project and it will host the application on localhost 4200 default port. Okay, for that we have to go inside ckeditor folder. We'll go and then we'll write ng serve. Now our application got compiled successfully, and in browser we'll type localhost 4200. Now you will be able to see this is our default Angular application made by Angular for us, and this all in the app component. In next video we'll learn how actually Angular project got loaded in the browser. If you have any queries or any doubt in installation, you can connect me on mail or comment down below. Also you can check out PDF for step-by-step installation process given in description box. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you in the next video.